Yeah, yo, it's your man, yo, the big 5'4". I'm the reason why these women are turning their eyes for. When they see me, they gon' hollering off for the ride for. I'm keeping it live, dog, you keeping your vibe on. Yeah, man, you stalling, I'm brawling, and this might be the reason you calling. I'm balling, ain't no reason for talking, you stalking, and you damn well know that I'm balling on mine. Tryna talk all that, but you not, so man, I let it ring, continue to do my thing. You really wanna hear me, you can talk at the tone. Who the fuck you know got a real rapper on their phone? Now all these girls harass me, they grab me, they keep on yelling, Big Daddy, Big Daddy. I see that they wanting it badly, they happy. You really want to see me, get at me, get at me. When mine comes, you know this is what I still run. You shot, then you got you done. My man, it's when mine comes. When mine comes, you know this is what I still run. You shot, then he's got you done. You tripping and I got to run. I'm gone.
I've reached my voicemail. Leave a message. I'll get back to you.